Saturday, June 16, 2012. The clock strikes at 12 midnight. It's the return of Darker, the ultimate boat ride experience. Pier 8, Emmons Avenue, Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn, New York.
Hey, party people!
You will be musically entertained by Natural Freak, Back to Basics, Dr. Wax, and Young Maddie. $45. For ticket info, call 917-771-5980. Boarding time, 11 p.m. Leaving 12 midnight sharp. Aboard the New York Princess. 21 and over, ID a month. That's June 16, 2012. It's the return of Darker. Darkers, don't leave your shades behind. This event is sponsored by TeamSoca.com and powered by Natural Freaks Unlimited.